Hello, good day. I am here in Japan Mobility Show here in Nagoya. And check this out. Defender Trophy Edition for Japan. That is a steep price. Woo. We have the specs over here, wheelbase. Trophy Edition. So let's check it out. Pretty cool. Spare tire on top. Extended bumpers. Land Rover. It's on Wrangler 255 by 60 R20. It's got electronics on it.
いっぱい見ていてください。
はい、いっぱい撮ります。これって日本しかないですか？このモデル。
これは一応世界で販売されてます。
販売されてます。
はい。
Okay, okay. So they're selling it worldwide, but this model is for here, Japan. そういうことですね。ありがとうございます。So it's got. It does remind me of the Camel Trophy. It's got LED bars on top. See those? LED bar. Traction. Looks like a box for accessories. I don't know what's inside though. It's got LEDs. Duratrack Goodyear. And, let's check underneath. Independent rear suspension. IFS IRS. High lift jack, and it's used. See the mud in it. Very nice. 色はなんかカメルトロフィーと
そうです。
思いましたんで、
はい、そのカメルトロフィーの時のこのデザインっていうのを、はい、この現代の現行のディフェンダーに落とし込んだ。落とし込んだ。はい。なのでトロフィーエディション。トロフィーエディション。はい。
Yeah, I knew it. I was looking at the colors. I remember the camel trophy. We have a G-Class here with Hatsune Miku. Yeah, they love Hatsune Miku. Lifted. 32555 R22s. That's a massive lift. Holy cow, this is on portals. Hold on. That is not important. What is important is underneath. Portal axles. This thing. Holy shit. Oh yeah, look at them portals. Tibus. It's Tibus off-road. Tibus portals. Nice. Alright, the other photographer's gone. Let's go check it out. Portal fucking axles! Woohoo! This is the bomb! Nice. Many of the people looking here, they don't know four-wheel drive, so they're just looking at the outside. They don't know what makes it go off-road. Nice. Portal. Japan Mobility Show 2025 and a Land Cruiser 250 by Autoflags. Skin plate. Toyo tires. Pretty cool bumper. Okay, let's check out the other side. Cute. .275 by 70 R18. Let's just wait for him. Looks like it's got some IPF LEDs. Rack. Side steps. I don't know if that's stock. Ladder. Easy access for the bikes. Pretty sweet. And we have a Mitsubishi Delica D5. Good. Ladder. Oh, tow hitch. Go on. Nice camping setup.